Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Have you ever tried to polish your skin? A lot of people think that there's no way that you can polish the skin. But yes guys, a facial scrub is really a facial polisher. What it does is that it helps to clean the skin, clear the skin off blackheads, whitehead, clear the skin of dullness, get rid of the dead skin cells. What the facial scrub also do is that it get the grease and dirt from the pores and it will leave the skin looking fresh and radiant. Now if you use anti-aging ingredient in your facial scrub, this facial scrub will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Now if you use skin brightening ingredient such as vitamin C in your facial scrub, it will help to lighten and brighten the skin. So facial scrub really can do a lot of things to your skin. It can get rid of dead skin cells, it can get rid of dull looking skin, it can get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it also can plump and firm the skin up. So today I'm going to share a facial polisher for you. This is going to help to smooth the wrinkles and all that I just mentioned once you use it on a regular. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip this up, and I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best results.
Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some coffee beans, and these are amazing for the skin. Coffee also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It helps to polish your skin, get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, and it's going to leave your skin looking just young, bright, and radiant. So what I'm going to be doing with this coffee, I'm going to blend it to a powder. So I'm going to add about a quarter cup of the coffee to the blender, and I'm going to blend. For this recipe, you can choose to use ground coffee. Just make sure that it's not a flavored coffee. So we're just blending the coffee to a powder. And next we're going to add a skin brightener to this. This is some dried orange peel powder. This contains vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, clear the skin of spots and blemishes. To get orange peel powder, you can choose to buy it, or you can just choose to blend your own dried orange peel. So now we have the two ingredients, two skin brightening ingredient, coffee and dried orange peel, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend the two together. Now once this is totally blended and infused together, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for oil. My oil of choice today is some coconut oil. However, you can choose to use your favorite oil for this recipe. So I'm going to pour about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and coconut oil has antibacterial properties. It will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes also. As a matter of fact, it is one of the better oil to help to get rid of hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going to reach for a lighter oil to balance it out, and the oil of choice is grapeseed oil. If you have oily skin, you could omit the coconut oil and just use the grapeseed oil, or you could choose to use both as I'm doing here. So I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. I'm going to pour this in, and now we have coffee, dried orange peel powder, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. I'm gonna mix this. Guys, this is so quick, this is so easy, but this is so effective in polishing your skin, in brightening that skin, and giving you a natural instant glow. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wash your face first, and then you're just gonna scoop this up and use it to exfoliate your face. Don't forget to go down on your neck and décolleté. Exfoliate your skin for about 3 minutes, rinse on, splash that cold water on, and guess what guys? Reveal bright, clear, glowing skin. Now you want to get the best result from this, so you're going to use it at least 2 to 3 times a week whenever your skin is looking a little dull, whenever you're looking for that instant glow. And also guys, when you want your skin to look really nice, really young, and really clear on a regular, just turn to this. It's also going to help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. share the video, guys. And guess what, guys? Your comments are always welcome. Use the remedy, guys, and then come back and leave another comment. And if this was your first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these amazing videos. So look below, the word subscribe is in red. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. However, guys, if you want to know exactly when I post a video, there's a little bell right there at the side. If you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone or whatever you watch us on, guess what? You will get a notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.